So we have to be prepared for the shadow vessel activities on the Gulf of Finland. That is a pity, but luckily the NATO and the national navies has deployed the activities on the seas as well, which helps of course. And on the top of that, of course, the submarine cables are very technical entities, meaning that they are prone to the other failure modes than just, for the external faults, which means as an overall that we have to be prepared for the unexpected now and in the future as well. So the accident happened in the Christmas day back in 25 December. First day, the working day, we were heavily engaged with the contacts with the Nexans, and from there the collaboration started very nicely and smoothly. So in that sense the reaction time and the response was very, very fast. What we really value is the can-do and the problem-solving attitude, as we all acknowledged very soon that the availability of the repair vessel was very, very limited. But eventually we engaged the Deep Cygnus repair vessel, which was very, very good eventually. So overall I can say that the performance for the Nexans was very good, and we put the cable back to the operation after half a year time. What we expect from Nexans is that out of our submarine cable fleet, more than 50% is provided by Nexans. And said that, of course, we are expecting a good after-sale services. But on the top of that, we are also starting 2 new high-voltage DC interconnectors. But that means that there are going to be a new set of the cables. So in that sense, we are also looking for the good open market dialogue in the future.